Hi everyone, welcome to my new channel where I'm going to share with you, as the channel's name states, different tricks and stuff related to Power BI. Actually, I have produced already a number of other videos on this topic, which you can find on my alternative channel. At the end of this video, I will provide a link to it, and soon enough I expect to migrate all the videos from there to here, but we'll see. Was for this video, the first on my new channel. In it, I will explain on an example how to show the freshest data in your report by default. In other words, you may have some dynamic data set and you may want your clients to be able to see the latest data from it when they open your report in the Power BI service, for example. If you're interested in such a solution, come on then, keep watching. To illustrate, I will use a dashboard, the one you see on the screen right now, which has some information regarding two popular cryptocurrencies. Here it's pretty simple data model. You can see it on the screen right now. Okay. In this description to this video, you can find a link allowing you to download this report and play with it at your own pace. In the upper part of this dashboard, you can see a slicer allowing to choose month. We can make sure that the last month is chosen for the moment. We can always change it and see that the visuals change. Okay, let's go back to June. Okay, we have this slicer, and let's imagine now that the data set has been updated with the July data. Okay. When this new data is fed to our dashboard, let's press the refresh button to emulate this. Okay, we won't see any changes on the dashboard when the process is over. But if we go to our slicer, we can find that we have July here. Okay. So our goal is to modify this dashboard in a way that when we update our data set, we have in the end the last month, July here. We made it chosen by default. Okay, to do so, we will need first an additional column and second an additional slice. Let's go. We're back to the dashboard where June represents the latest data. Now, as I said, we need to add an additional column. Let's go to the table view. Okay. Let's go to the table tools, new column. This line of code in DAX will help us to mark the most fresh data with the tag fresh data and the rest of it with the tag archive. Okay, let's run this line and ensure that we have a new column with the indicator of fresh data for the last month. From here, let's go back to the report view. Duplicate our slicer. Replace the value to indicator, change it. View, okay, let's deselect value here. So we have both values here. Okay, let's also switch off header just for the sake of this exercise. Okay, we have such a slicer here. I would advise to modify one more thing here, which is the behavior of the slicer. Let's choose our old slicer. Let's name it like that. Go to the format page, edit interactions, and let's say do nothing with this slicer. Okay. Now when we choose month here, we still have both entries in the in our new slicer. Okay. Now we can choose fresh data in our new slicer. We can see the June data, which is the last one for the moment. And when we press this refresh button, we upload July data, and what we see, the data is updated. That's what we wanted, right? Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, don't hide your feelings, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, go to the comments section and criticize me there. Bye for now. See you.